That's a mouse.
Oh, right there. Straight ahead, there's a gray one. So I guess the white and
No, that's a mouse too.
I'm trying to get a view of them.
So right there's a
bird.
A gray one. There was a
Ooh,
black
so
sheep and a
cute.
rat. There was a black and white one like that were hamsters. There was two of
So
them.
cute.
Probably bought them. They were
Aww.
little cuties.
So babies. Oh, they're so cute.
I see birds.
I can see now, Jocelyn. We're gonna be the family with all the animals.
Yeah. Yeah, he's like, oh, hi, how are you? I can't because look, there's glass. Right?
If you are looking to get a cute pet, or just show the mouse, a lot of love, and you just need somebody, or the perfect cute gift for your child or somebody, a loved one or whoever, feel free to stop at Klems in Spencer, Massachusetts. You got birds, you got fish, you got mice, so cute.